What's your name? What's your name? Ki jan ou rele? Ki jan ou rele? My name is Sam. My name is Sam. Mwen rele Sam. Mwen rele Sam.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Ki kote ou soti? Ki kote ou soti?
I am from New York. I am from New York. Mwen soti New York. Mwen soti New York. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Ki le anniversaire ou? Ki le anniversaire ou? My birthday is on June 2nd. My birthday is on June 2nd. Anniversaire naissance mwen c'est 2 juin. Anniversaire naissance mwen c'est 2 juin. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Ki numéro téléphone ou? Ki numéro téléphone ou? My phone number is 00000. My phone number is 000. Numéro téléphone moi c'est 000. Numéro téléphone moi c'est 000. What do you do? What do you do? Ki sa ou fait? Ki sa ou fait? I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Moi c'est yon docteur. Moi c'est yon docteur. Are you married? Are you married? Est-ce que ou marié? Est-ce que ou marié? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oui, moi marié. Oui, moi marié. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? Combien petit ou genyen? Combien petit ou genyen? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Mwen gen 2 petites. Mwen gen 2 petites. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Est-ce que ou gen frère ak sœur? Est-ce que ou gen frère ak sœur? Yes, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Yes, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Oui, mwen gen 3 frères ak 2 sœurs. Oui, mwen gen 3 frères ak 2 sœurs. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? A qui est-ce wap vive? A qui est-ce wap vive? I live with my wife and children. I live with my wife and children. Ma viv ak madame mwen epi pitit mwen yo. Ma viv ak madame mwen epi pitit mwen yo. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? Ki lè ou pran manje matin? Ki lè ou pran manje matin? I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. Mwen pran manje matin à 7 a.m. Mwen pran manje matin à 7 a.m. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? Ki lè ou ale coucher? Ki lè ou ale coucher? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Ki manje ou pi reme? Ki manje ou pi reme? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Manje mwen pi reme an se pizza. Manje mwen pi reme an se pizza. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Ki sa ou fe nan tan libre ou? Ki sa ou fe nan tan libre ou? I like listening to music and reading books. I like listening to music and reading books. Mwen reme écoute musique epi li liv yo. Mwen reme écoute musique epi li liv yo. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? Combien langues ou parlez? Combien langues ou parlez? I speak 3 languages: English, Spanish, and French. I speak 3 languages: English, Spanish, and French. Mwen parle 3 langues: Anglè, Espagnol ak Français. Mwen parle 3 langues: Anglè, Espagnol ak Français. Where is your wife? Where is your wife? Kote madame ou ye? Kote madame ou ye?
She is in the living room. She is in the living room. Li nan salon an. Li nan salon an. What is she doing? What is she doing? Ki sa la fe? Ki sa la fe? She is watching television. She is watching television. Lap gade télévision. Lap gade télévision. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Eske ou gen yon bet la kayou? Eske ou gen yon bet la kay ou?
Yes, it's a dog. Yes, it's a dog. Oui, c'est yon chien. Oui, c'est yon chien. Can you fix my bike? Can you fix my bike? Est-ce que ou ka arranger bicyclette moyen? Est-ce que ou ka arranger bicyclette moyen? Sure. Sure. Assurément. Assurément. How long do you think it will take to fix it? How long do you think it will take to fix it? Combien de temps vous pensez li pral prend pour ranger li? Combien de temps vous pensez li pral prend pour ranger li? It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Li difficile pour dire. Li difficile pour dire. Okay. See you later. Okay. See you later. Ok. Napre pita. Ok. Napre pita.